Deep dive into one of the biggest changes the governor is proposing to the state program that provides free health care coverage to undocumented immigrants.
Yeah, a lot of eyes on this one. The cost of that coverage has already surpassed state estimates by billions of dollars. Your reporter covering Stanislaus County, Nina Burns, is live from Modesto, getting answers from local advocacy groups, Nina, on the impacts these changes might have.
Yeah, Tony and Marley. Well, 1 year ago, California became the first state in the nation to offer health care to undocumented immigrants despite their income. Today, we spoke to a local advocacy group who says he's going back on his promises to the Central Valley.
This sends the wrong message.
Governor Gavin Newsom announces plans to halt Medi-Cal enrollment for undocumented immigrants and charge a $100 monthly fee for those already enrolled come 2027.
I think there needs to be some answers for a lot of the questions that a lot of us have.
El Concilio is the Central Valley's largest Latino advocacy nonprofit. Their president, Jose Rodriguez, says the cuts target populations who can't speak up.
Whenever government has to cut, they always seem to pick on the most vulnerable populations that can't speak up or defend themselves, like the undocumented, children, the aged, and unfortunately, these folks will not, those groups will not speak up and assert their rights.
Governor Newsom blames the budget gap on Trump-era tariffs, plus rising health care and drug costs. But Rodriguez isn't convinced.
Some type of boogeyman to be able to blame. It seems to me that this is a result of poor planning and not necessarily the tariffs.
He says the $100 monthly fee isn't just a price hike, it's a push out.
Many of them live on minimum wage, will have 2 or 3 jobs, and so $100 is going to be unaffordable, and it's really a way of pushing them off the system.
But Republican lawmakers say the cuts are simply necessary, with the cost of undocumented health care close to $10 billion, more than $3 billion higher than estimates from just a few months ago.
We just simply can't afford it. And he's acknowledging that by this budget's adjustment. And in future budgets, I think we're going to see more.
For Rodriguez, these proposed changes go beyond state lines.
Whatever happens in California then transcends across the country. And so basically what this is telling the rest of the country is that it's okay to deny benefits to the undocumented or to treat them less than equal.
Now, Governor Newsom says these cuts could save California nearly $5.5 billion through 2029. I'll send it back to you guys.
Nina, thank you. Live in Stanislaus County tonight. Of course, we'll continue to stay on top and track today's budget announcement, the revised one, both on air, online, and streaming always. You'll find us 24/7, CBS News Sacramento.